Hi, this is Anna from Stamping Roots. I'm just showing you how I am now using my Birch stamp set to ink up some paper. So this is the second time I pulled it down because it was a little bit too light the first time, and now I like it. If you still want to add a little bit more, there's some areas that could have been missed the first time around. But from what I like it so far, actually I like it just the way it is. I didn't want it to be too dark. If I would, then I could just go ahead and use my stamp pad and press all around here. Align it, making sure it's in the exact same spot as it was before. And here's a tip for you. Because this is hard to use magnets, or else it's gonna, see, I could probably use the magnet in this area where I know there's no stamp going to hit it, and I should be okay. But what I have done is I have measured the 1 inch and then just moved it to the right exactly one square. From here you can see what I've left. I haven't put it exactly at the 1 inch or there. I've gone 1 square down and 1 square to the right, and every time I align it and bring the stamp back on, I make sure that it's in the exact same spot. So I have, like I said, I have done this twice already and it's worked perfect. So I would encourage you guys to give this a try, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments section. And I hope using this Stamparatus with a large image like this will make your life a lot easier, as it has done for me. I don't think I can do this without the Stamparatus. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.